Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am reviewing Kiwi Dranex, a powerful solution for cleaning blocked drain pipes. So let's get started. This is a 50-gram single-use pouch priced at Rs 25 with a shelf life of 2 years from the manufacturing date. And this powder can be used for clearing your kitchen sink pipes or wash basin, and it's great for tubs also. How to use? Recently my kitchen sink pipe was blocked. So I'm going to show you on the kitchen sink. Remove the excess debris from the blocked kitchen sink, a wash basin or a tub. Now take out the strainer basket and pour the entire content of the pouch directly into the drain. Add a cup of normal water and leave it for 30 minutes. And it has a kind of strong chemical smell. What it does is it effectively break down and dissolve tough substance like grease, food residue, hair, dirt, which cause blockage. And after 30 minutes, pour around 5 liters of water to flush the drain clean. And it is safe for the drain pipes and work quickly to restore the free flow of water. And if your blockage is not clear, repeat the process. And it can be used as a preventive maintenance every 3-4 months to clean the pipe and free flowing. But if your pipe is completely blocked, then you need to call the plumber. And for the precautions, since it has strong chemicals, you need to handle it with care. Avoid any direct physical contact with the powder and keep it out of the children's and the pet reach. So overall, this product is reliable, quick fix solution for the clogged pipes. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.